Hello everyone! In this video I will show you the fastest method to install, update or remove multiple apps on Windows using Winget, the package manager. This tool is enabled by default on Windows and it can be accessed from the terminal. Let's run it in administrator mode. If we simply type Winget, it will show its manual. The first command that we are going to use is Winget search. Let's search for OBS, for example. As a result, we can see a list of items from the Winget repository that all have the string OBS in them. We can narrow down this selection by piping the command's output into PowerShell's selectString function and typing another string that will be in the results. Now we can see the results that all have the string studio in them. Let's select the ID, then type Winget install and the ID to start installing. And we got an error that it couldn't search the MS Store source. I found this issue in recent Windows versions, but the fix is to remove that source. Make sure to run this as administrator. If we try to install again, it runs without problems. The icon appeared on the desktop. To install multiple apps, we just simply type their names. Some apps have multiple versions, so we need to specify them by ID. And they appear too on the desktop. Let me show you that you can use Winget without administrator privileges, but it's suboptimal. It will ask you this interactive dialog for every app, which means you can't just leave your computer during the installations. Let's go back to administrator mode. And let me show you how to export your installed apps into a list. I changed the directory to documents and type winget export -o and the output file name. And if we look inside the file, you can see it has all the installed app IDs. This would be useful when you migrate to a new computer or reinstall Windows. The normal workflow would be to try to install the apps manually one by one, clicking through each installer. But using these lists, you can set up your new computer with the apps you had in basically one command. The next command is Winget remove, and we will use it to remove multiple apps from the computer. It asks us to refine the input, which means to use the app's ID instead of its name. Once the apps are removed, we can pretend that this is a brand new Windows installation and use the previously created list to install the apps that we had on our previous machine. To install the apps based on the list, we have to type winget install -i and specify the file name of the list. And the installation of multiple apps will start automatically without interaction. Once finished, we can see the apps appeared on the desktop. Next, we are going to run winget upgrade-all to upgrade all the apps to the latest version. Lastly, thank you for your time. Please tell me what you think of this video down below.